If it's your first time seeing this face, hi, it's RebaRosey here. Welcome to the Mind Squad. And if you are a returning subscriber, hi girl, hi boy, welcome back to my channel. I am an educator, a motivator, and entertainer. So if you want to get educated, motivated, and entertained, make sure that you subscribe so that you never miss my videos. So today we are transforming my room. So I'm gonna show you guys what I bought from PepHome. I bought all of these things from PepHome for this transformation. So the first item is this feature sheet. It's in this color. I don't know, is this blue or is it baby blue? For those that know, please comment and tell me what's the color of this. I think it's blue. Yeah, but then I have it on not blue, but it's blue. It's I got it for 45 randa. Now I'm just gonna say randa. And I got this continental pillowcase for 25 rand, the same color as this featured sheet. Yeah. And I should have bought another pillow, continental pillow, because I got this one from Pep Store too, but it's so soft. It's too loose for my liking. Man. Anyway, guys, please don't mind this. I don't know what to say, but I'll make a plan. But I will make a plan. I promise. I'm not promising you, actually. I'm promising myself. For me, you gotta make a plan. Yes, I will make a plan. Because this muffin top thing is not working. And I got this can opener because me and my boyfriend are always fighting. Shakes! So I got this for the cans, obviously. And I bought 2 of these things. Then where's the other one? Yeah, I bought 2 of these because I want to have my pictures, you know. And it's been a long time since I had like a photograph. I'm always having pictures. I always take pictures and I don't have them as a photograph. So yeah, and I'm gonna have my pictures. I think I'm gonna have my picture and my a picture of me and my boyfriend. Okay. And I bought them for 11 rand. 11 rand times 2. I promise it's not COVID-19. And I got these 2 fleece blankets. I got these 2 these 2 blankets. I initially took this gray one, because my transformation is around gray, white, and brown and black. Those are the colors that I want. So I initially took this one, and when I was busy paying, that cashier, the good cashier from PepHome, said, no, baby girl, you can get 2 for 100 rand. 100 rand. And each is 65. So I was like, what? It's a promotion. Okay, like this. And I got myself a candle. I got myself this candle, this big candle. And 40 rand. 40 rand. Yeah, you'll see. I want this, this table, this nice table. But yeah, and I was thinking I want to decorate my table with it. Yeah. And I got myself a mirror. A mirror. I do have a mirror, but it's a big one. So sometimes I don't want to go there. That's why I'm saying that on my table, on my design table, on my decorated table, I'll have this, and I'll always like, and I got this for 17 rand. So the next thing that I got is this, the Man of the Moments, the duvet cover set. It's a 3/4 one. I got a 3/4 because I have a bed that I'm always moving around with. Because as a person, you never know, you might be called go Johannesburg and you don't have a bed, you know. Then yeah, that's the bed for me. It's my moving bed. It's, you know. Anyway, this is my bed. I love that bed because it helps me a lot when I'm stranded. You know, I know that I have this particular bed that is always moving with me. If I go to, if I get called Cape Town, I'm taking my bed with. If like, but yeah, I got it for 180. That was a long story, but. And I got these stickers, these nice stickers. There's live well, laugh often, love much. Yeah, and I got them for 30 rand. And I got this light, this bulb. I got this bulb for 30 rand. 30 rands. Okay, 30 rand, guys. I got it, and I also bought the batteries, but I don't know where are they. But I think they were like, because I bought 4 of them, I think they were like 35 rand or so. Yeah, I bought batteries for this. Let there be lights. Yo, I'm so obsessed with lights. I don't know if light, yeah. And I got this light for 29 rand. 30 rand. And I also got this underbed storage for my shoes. Yeah, I don't like the whole thing going on under my bed with the shoes, so I decided that I'm gonna get this. I also got this torchlight. It works the same way as this one. Yeah, and it also uses batteries. I got it for 15 rands. Yeah, for the same reason that things can happen at any time. No shading is an it thing now, so you gotta be ready. And I got this cutting board. I got it for 25 rands. Yeah, I've always needed this cutting board. And I got myself diffuser for this. Okay, do I really expect it to smell nice now? Okay, I got it for 20 rands. And I got myself this pillowcase. I got it for 10 rand because I did not want the all gray type of thing, so I thought like, let me spice the room with this pillowcase. Hopefully it's gonna be nice. I think there's a lot of gray. I see gray a lot, so I'm not sure because there's no picture of it. 10 rand. And since the girl is so lazy to go to gym and she needs to go to gym, I got myself okay, I got myself this stretch band, and 40 rand. Let me check it. This is the stretch band. Really? Hypo. What's happening, Lana? I thought it's okay. Okay, I'll have to watch a YouTube video. And I got this adhesive paper. This adhesive paper is 35 rand. And I got it because I want to fix the table that I have. The table that I have got ruined. The rain ruined it. So I'm going to fix it. I have to fix it. Yeah, and I bought 2 of these because I wanted to also do a backdrop for myself with this. So as you can see, also is the grayish type of thing. So flower gray has my heart now. Gray has my heart. So from the plastics, everything is fine, right? Yeah. And I got this. I got this lamp, table lamp. Oh, am I disconnecting it or what? Or yeah, I think I was. What? Yeah, I got this, and I got this for 100 rands. You know, because white is the best color, because I can now change to red again or blue again, and it's still gonna be okay. And I got myself these. I got myself these. Give 14 rand. Yeah, and I also bought this champagne glass, wine glass, champagne glass. Let's have this argument, because someone was telling me that they both wine glasses, and I said this is a champagne glass, or just because it's not, but it is. Wine glasses, champagne glasses, periods. Okay. Yeah, huh? I also got these starlights for aesthetics. For aesthetic purposes. How do I even open this? Oh, I hope I'm not gonna break it. I will show you guys how it works. I got them for I don't know, because now he do there in India, but I think they were like 20 rands, 25. And I got this bag, because I did not have a bag that I could travel with freely. I had it, but it's not, I don't like it anymore, so I got myself this bag. I got myself a Louis Vuitton bag, honey. Just a joke. Obviously just a joke. I also forgot to mention that I got myself this cushion, white in color, cream white. So right now I'm quickly going to change my room, very quickly, and I'm going to show you the changes. Baby stuff, baby, sit down. And it's a wrap. Thank you guys for watching. See you in my next video.